Memory Palace. Before I tell you what it is, I have a question for you. Have you ever struggled to remember a lot of things at once? For example, a phone number, or directions of nearby locations, or a speech. Relatable? If yes, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Now, let's take an example to understand how we can work on this issue. I would like you to pick a place that you're very familiar with. A good first choice could be your own home or a route that is 100% imprinted on your mind. Once you're confident that the route is stamped on your mind, we are good to go. You have your palace, which can be used over and over again to memorize just about anything you want. The first noticeable feature would probably be the front door. Now go on and mentally walk around your memory palace. After you go through the door, what's in the first room? Continue making mental notes of those features as you go. Each one of them will be a memory slot that you later use to store a single piece of information. For example, the timeline of the Indian independence. Imagine walking through your house and mentally placing each key event in India's struggle for independence in a different location. For example, you could imagine placing the Indian National Congress formation in the living room, the Salt March in the kitchen, the Quit India movement in the bedroom, and so on. When you need to recall the timeline of Indian independence, mentally walk through your house to remember each event in order. The Memory Palace technique helps you remember a lot of information by creating a mental picture of a place you know very well, like your home or school. You then link each piece of information you want to remember with a specific location in that place. When you need to recall the information later, you can mentally walk through your memory palace and remember the information from each location.